Hey everyone, today we're unboxing a do-it-yourself button kit. It's perfect for all craft projects, and if you're like me, these boxes can seem very overwhelming. Okay, let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. This kit even threw a cute book. You'll find instructions and three main parts. Three plastic main parts to make the buttons. You have the main one with the handle, the small one with one circle, and then you have the other one with two circles. You want to start with the one with one circle. Place it on the handle by pushing up. You can see that it aligns and it will click when you push up. Okay, for the next part, you're using the two circles. You're going to slide it in as stated in the instructions. This is the part I had the most difficult time. It doesn't just slide in, okay? So then to put it in, you want to see how it gets stuck there. And I thought, oh my gosh, okay. So the instruction says to pull up. It doesn't say anything about pressing this one down. I'm trying to show you. Pressing down. So pressing up and down and then pushing over to get it right in the middle. And this go, and here there's a hole here that secures it so it doesn't fall off. That's it, you should be ready to go.